How to log in Presto account. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily log into Presto account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up any browser on your device and then search for Presto card. You have to search for this exact phrase, and then after you search for Presto card, you have to go to this website www.prestocard.ca. so tap here and then once you're on the Presto website, scroll down a little bit and here you will see I am new to Presto and I'm a Presto user. So tap here on I'm a Presto user, and then here you will see few options: load my card, sign in, activate my card, report lost card, and then create a new Presto account. So we want to log in, so we will tap on here sign in, and then here you will get the option to Presto account or Presto card. So tap on whatever option you want, and then here you have to enter your email address here and password, and then tap on sign in and you will be signed in. And so this is how you can log into your Presto account. Thanks for watching.